So now we're trying the Brook TV one. This is going to be a bigger cookie. Good morning, guys. So it is a little later than I kind of wanted to get started, but I got up earlier and did my Bible and had coffee and got some breakfast. Today is the first day I'm back on paleo. I took a much longer hiatus from it than I had planned on, and so today is my first day. So I have my paleo creamer and come on, Max. I had just some eggs and bacon for breakfast, and I have a couple things on my plans for today. A couple things I want to try to make happen somehow today. Random cleaning, but also some freezer cooking. I really want to get some paleo freezer cooking done and have some stuff stocked in the freezer. And I want to try out Andrew's cookie cutters. So we will see how that goes. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to try to accomplish today, or try to see if I can make them happen today. Do you want to say bye to the vlog? Are you going to vlog while you're gone?
I don't know, I might not have much to vlog. It's just going to be classes the whole time.
Yeah, so you can see.
Yeah.
See if there's anything worth vlogging.
And just see if I can get my video up.
Oh yeah, that would be good.
I want to try to finish this thing while I'm there, but I don't know if the ball bearings are going to come in time tomorrow or not.
Oh yeah. I think our Prime box is supposed to come tomorrow too.
Yeah, all of it's supposed to be here tomorrow.
Yay!
Ben needs to go.
He is getting ready to go take a water class somewhere that's like, what, 2 hours away?
Like 4 hours away.
Oh, 4 hours away. So, he leaves tomorrow afternoon for that. Today has been a very lazy throwaway day for me. I had a lot I wanted to get done that now I'm going to do tomorrow instead, because it's 9 o'clock and there's no way I'm staying up late enough to do anything more tonight like that, because I have big projects in mind. He comes back Thursday night.
Probably be kind of late.
Yeah, so he'll be gone a couple days. And I'll try to have the whole house in order. Huh?
I said I gotta get my iPod all ready to go with all my books.
Oh, yeah. You can listen to stuff. And this was the final cookie cutter. I'm going to try it out tomorrow. So, I think that's going to be really fun. I'm really excited to try it out.
It's a cool one.
Yeah. And then this was the other one he was printing on the printer. It's a Superman one. So, we're going to have fun with these. Oh, really? Oh, oh, oh.
Oh.
Max got playful when I changed the bed sheet. Look at his tail going.
Look at his mouth.
Oh, Sirius is coming. Oh, oh.
Hey! Hey, guys, what about me?
Oh. This happens a lot, too. Oh, oh.
You eating his head again? Alright, we talked about this.
biggest project right this very second is making the cookies because Andrew leaves at 1. It is 10:32. I don't know if you can see that. 10:34. Okay, our coffee clock is wrong. And I wanted to have the cookies ready for him to take some with him when he leaves. And he said he's planning to leave at about 1. So I have a couple hours to get them ready and in the oven and figure out how to use the cookie cutters. So let's figure this out and get this done. I've got a very, very small half batch of chocolate chip cookies ready. And now we are going to go grab the cookie cutters that are over here. We're going to try Pikachu, Superman, Spider-Man, and of course, the Brook TV one. Alright. For the sake of shaping them, and putting the cookie dough on here. Last time I used some of his 3D printed cookie cutters, I had to add a little flour because it was just too gooey and wet, and it wasn't forming solidly enough for me to pull it out of the cookie cutter. So I might add a touch of flour, just because I can see this is really gooey already. That might look like more than a touch, but I had to add quite a bit last time because, you know, gooey cookies are great, but not gooey cookie dough while you're trying to use cookie cutters. Gotta have it able to form. So, got a little more flour in there. It may still be gooey. We're going to try that. We'll see. They may still be too gooey, but we will see. Okay. First one I'm going to try is the Superman one. I'm probably only doing 1 or 2 of each of these. Alright, so now we're trying the Brook TV one. This is going to be a bigger cookie. I got the Superman one to work. We'll see how this one does. Okay, well, it worked as a butterfly, but I was not able to get Brook TV to print. So, maybe I can try again with the next one. Okay. There's a Spider-Man one. And the last one is Pikachu. So let's see if we can get Pikachu. I'm kind of cheating a bit because the ears are really sensitive. So instead of using this like a full-on cookie cutter, I kind of just imprinted it. And I had to fix his ear. But I did get the shape of Pikachu. So now let's do another Brick TV one. See if it works. This one I'm going to push down really hard. Ha. Okay. Second try for the Brook TV cookie. And I got it. Oh, yes. I know, I'm sad he's leaving too.
Oh my goodness, you two. It's gonna be like 2.5 days.
So he has all the cookies because I can't have
to
them.
make me fat.
No, because I can't have them.
Well, then you don't make so many.
I did a half batch even.
Well, then you do like a quarter of a batch.
But then I couldn't have tried them all out. This is goodbye. He has to leave.
Yeah. I think Max is gonna miss me more than Brooke is.
I know, Max is freaking out over it. Huh. Yeah.
He's like, but you just came home. I don't understand this. I'm sorry, buddy.
He'll be back.
You want kisses?
Go give him kisses. No, not me. I'm staying with you. Go give him kisses. There. Oh.
Do you need to? You just went out. He's acting like he needs to go out again, but he was just out. Ugh.
What?
Isn't he though?
Right, let's go say bye. Come on, Max. Let's say bye. Come on. Say bye. Give him kisses.
Oh. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh. Hey.
Oh, he's coming with
No,
you.
you can't come with me. You can't come.
Bye.
Bye.
I love you.
Mwah. Love you too.
Come on, Max. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Like, how about I just go down?
You're staying with me. Come on.
You gotta keep mommy safe.
All right, he's off. Max tried to run away with him, but I got him back. Want your lamb chop? Yeah. He likes his toy. Yeah. Oh, hi, Sirius. Okay, so I am going to bed. Gonna put something on the TV and try to get some sleep. I have coffee set for in the morning. That's always important. And yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Andrew is gone and I never sleep as well when he's not here, but I'm gonna try to get sleep tonight. Andrew did make it there safely, so that is good. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with everybody. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, click the screen and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!